Hey, welcome to May the 7th. Here we are on Thursday. I want to take a second and thank you everybody for showing up to our Zoom classes, participating in our Facebook group, and sending me all the emails and messages about how much you missed the gym and everything. We miss you too. I hope everybody's doing well out there. But let's get into what we got for today's workout, all right? So here's our warm-up. 2 rounds, 30 seconds high knees, 30 seconds butt kickers, okay? 10 glute bridge ups with a 3-second pause at the top. Really squeeze those glutes up there for a 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, all right? Not a 1, 2, 3, all right? Give it a full 3. Then it's a sumo deadlifts, okay? And high pulls, okay? So if you have a kettlebell, dumbbell, or a backpack, or a water jug, you're gonna do that. So deadlift, a sumo deadlift is the feet are wider than the hips and shoulders, so you're making like a triangle with the legs, okay? That really gets the glutes and the side of the legs involved, okay? And then we got that high pull afterwards, which is pulling up to the chest and clavicle, okay? Both of these together make our sumo deadlift high pull, which I think, just maybe, we might see in the workout. Let's check it out. It is sumo deadlift high pulls. Boom! So it says 10 kettlebell sumo deadlift high pulls, but use anything you got. If you got a barbell, if you've got dumbbells, you can always substitute a different kind of apparatus for this. All right. This just means that you're going to touch the ground and you're going to pull it up to your chest. Okay. So next is the Russian kettlebell swings. If you have a dumbbell or a backpack, you can use that as well to do the kettlebell swings. We're just looking for that good hip hinge movement. So make sure that you are pushing your hips back to start that kettlebell swing. Okay. As that kettlebell comes down, wait for it. Don't send the hips out too soon, creating a pocket of space, right? You want to wait for that kettlebell to get to the hips and then absorb it into your hips and then send it back out by squeezing your butt, pressing into the ground. All right, 20 sit-ups and a 200-meter run. Now, if you're playing at home and you can't go outside and run 200 meters, just run for about a minute in place. Jog in place or toe taps to a dumbbell, okay? 18-minute hard cap. We're going to stop at 18 minutes no matter where we are for this 5-round workout, okay? I hope nobody DNFs, did not finish, okay? The workout should be good. Take the first round as a pacer, kind of figure out what your pace is going to be, and then speed it up for the subsequent rounds, okay? I think everybody should be able to find a pace that suits them and complete this under 18 minutes, okay? All right, your score is your time, so just note that in Wodify, put it up. There's no finisher today, but if you're in our Zoom classes, we always finish with kind of a yoga cool down or a joint cool down. So downward dog, upward dog, child's pose, going through our ankles, knees, and hips and shoulders, kind of turning and stretching. So make sure if you're playing at home, just get in a good cool down, get in a good warm up, all right? These workouts aren't that long, but they are beneficial, okay? Let's check out our movement demos next.